Hello everyone, myself Ananya ma'am. Welcome to Barakpur Senate Public Higher Secondary School. This presentation is for class 8, subject English Literature, lesson 8. Name of the poem is The Last Bargain, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Let's have a small introduction to the poem. The Last Bargain is a poem written by the famous and renowned Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. The poem is describing the story of a man who is in search of a job. He wants a job in which he can work without losing his freedom. The speaker receives the offer from powerful, rich, and beautiful, but turns all of them down. He finally accepts the offer of a child, which is the last bargain. About the author. Rabindranath Tagore was a poet, musician, polymath, Ayurveda researcher, and artist who recast music, Bengali literature, and Indian art in late 19th and early 20th century. In 1913, Rabindranath Tagore was the first non-European to win Nobel Prize in Literature. Rabindranath Tagore was also referred as to the bird of Bengal. Let's read the poetry, The Last Bargain by Rabindranath Tagore. Come and hire me, I cried, while in the morning I was walking on the stone-paved road. Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. In the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shut doors. I wandered along the crooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. He weighted his coins one by one, but I turned away. It was evening. The garden hedge was all aflower. The fair maid came out and said, I will hire you with a smile. Her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone in the dark. The sun glistened on the sand, and the sea waves broke waywardly. A child sat playing with shells. He raised his head and seemed to know me and said, I hire you with nothing. From thenceforward, that bargain struck in child's play made me a free man. Let's have a little summary of the poem. The Last Bargain is a poem where the speaker is searching for a job in which he does not have to lose his freedom. He receives the first proposal from a king. The king offers him power in return for his labor, but he refuses the king's offer.